Hi, this is Ellen from Health Aspire. Today I'm going to be making creamy ham and broccoli pasta. I'm going to be using ham, soft cheese, this one's flavoured with garlic and herbs, a bit of parmesan, some milk to thin the sauce down, some broccoli, and then you could vary your pasta. So if you want to increase your protein, then you could use lentil pasta. So protein is essentially the building blocks of life, really filling. So it's a great way of doing it. Lentil pasta, you wouldn't maybe cook it as long because it can go kind of a bit mushy. But you could vary it. You could use a wholemeal pasta as well to increase your fibre. So you could play around with that. You could also make this into a sauce and pour it over chicken. So you wouldn't have your pasta, you could have chicken breast, make the sauce and then pour it over chicken, bake it in the oven. You've kind of got like a bake as well. If you want to do a pasta bake, then you could just make a thinner sauce, pour it over the uncooked pasta and pop it in the oven, and you'd have kind of a very posh macaroni cheese. So here you have your creamy ham and broccoli pasta. Feel free to add anything that you like. So it would work with mushrooms, you could throw in some tomatoes, but you could use frozen broccoli as well, you just have to thaw it out first. But enjoy!